Hey yo, it's Bio Adio, the Nigerian Nomad. You are welcome to the show. American Roots.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Welcome to the Nigerian Nomad channel. My name is Bayo Adio, for you guys that are new to this channel. So today I am just wanting to just show you guys a quick update on the house that we are building in our upcoming beautiful estate in Green Paradise in the middle of Ajebo, Ogun State. Wonderful community. We have like a university, McPherson University nearby. We have Foursquare Campground nearby. We have the nice Ajebo town nearby, and we're just right next to them. So that's kind of generally where we're at. But for today, let's show you guys an update. So the last time I was showing you guys a quick walkthrough of here, they were just assembling these precast panels for the wall. And today we have done a lot of lintel work, what they call lintel, which is the stuff above the windows. And then we have done some prep work, some form work for the beam that would attach the floor upstairs, which they call decking. So that's what's happening. So let me just give you guys a tour of the space. All right. So we still have a lot of work to do out here in the front in terms of what they call backfilling and making sure everything is leveled and the flow of water and landscaping. But for now, let's just go look at the structure. And there's a nice, beautiful custom design that we want here that was easily accomplished with block work that we're gonna do here. Surprise, I'll show you guys later. But come on, let's go check out this space. So this space that you're seeing here is just a general outdoor porch, like a small veranda area. This right here is what we call a waiting area in Nigeria, or maybe they call it veranda. But anyway, when you have a visitor and you don't quite want them in your space yet, they can kind of hang out here, pending when you want them to come in. So that's what this space is. And there's gonna be a door here to come into the main space. All right, so ta-da! Here is the main space, the living room. So the TV wall is gonna be here. And we have electrical starting. So if you guys can see these boxes, that means we're already kind of laying out where all the electrical sockets is gonna be. So being that I've done quite a bit of renovations now, I know all the things that I don't like and all the places that I've stayed. So when the electrician comes here and when they start doing all the wirings, I would literally be telling them that, move this, I want this here. They'll put a mark there, they'll put a mark there, they'll put a mark everywhere that I want everything to be based on the design. Then it's just a matter of them executing it. So yeah, so this is the living room, big gigantic windows looking at your front lawn here. Now this design specifically flows. It's like an open concept type design, but that's convertible. If somebody wanted it separate, they could make it separate. So we designed the space to be adaptable and customizable for our clients. So we give them the general template and then they can close, open, do whatever they want. So that's kind of how this place is designed. But for now, here is the dining area. Again, we wanted this place to have a lot of windows. As I'm sitting here, I'm feeling breeze from everywhere, which is wonderful. So one should be able to open up their windows, their doors, and get some breeze inside. So this is the dining area right here. And there's a big sliding window to go outside. So you can go from here to the pool, to the sitting area, or just kind of enjoy your outside. Oh, and we also have a sitting area right here. Now this room now flows into this gigantic kitchen. Gigantic kitchen. But we wanted the kitchen to be big because we want cabinets, and more importantly, we want a big island in the middle here. So yeah, so a big island flowing into the dining room, into the kitchen space. This is what we have here. Now, we also have a pantry room here. So if you have any items that you want to store, all the pantry space is here. So hopefully you guys are kind of getting an idea of the layout. Now, before I go to check out the other rooms, let's check out this outdoor space. So here is like an outdoor lounge area. So there's a balcony at the top and outdoor sitting lounge at the bottom. So when you're here, look at this space. So you can have some seats, some area, you can grill outside. You can just have a sitting area to chill outside. Maybe you are here sitting down and you're watching people hanging out at the pool, or your kids are playing around. Whatever the case might be. So yeah, so we have almost 200 square meters of just backyard space. So a lot of space to have a garden or whatever. All right, or you can have an outdoor kitchen here if you want. Also okay. All right, so now let's go in and check out these other rooms. So this room right here is a guest room. So again, a decent sized guest room, you know, very decent size. All right, cool. I'm just showing you guys, giving you guys a rough tour of the room spaces. Now, as you guys are looking ahead here, here is the stairs to go upstairs over here. But for now, let me show you guys some cool rooms. Come on in. So this room right here, it's designed to be a laundry space. But this room is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Gigantic laundry room. But anyway, so this is a laundry room and this is a toilet here. So yeah. So now, this stairs has actually been, the woodwork is underneath. We have some iron laid out. We're just getting ready for casting. Actually, let me take you guys upstairs. So you guys can have a view from the top. This is such a nice view. Wow. I love it, I love it. Wow. Wow, this is cool. I love the breeze here. So nice. That's the beauty of having trees around. So you can sit here. So the stairs comes through here. Obviously a big window here, big window here. You can see trees. So this corner here, what's crazy is this whole space right here, this whole space here is the master bedroom and bathroom. So you have a master bedroom there with a nice view outside. You can, literally this tree is in front of this bedroom. You have the walk-in closet. You have the master bath. So literally, this is the queen or king domain over here. There, obviously, we have a lounge area, some mechanical rooms area. This hallway leads to that big balcony up there where you can see your backyard. Then we have some room, toilet in the middle. Anyway, just wanted to kind of show you guys what it looks like from the top. So that is just a quick update of where we're at in the house. So the next step is there's a few small design changes that I need to make. Now that I'm walking through the space and getting a sense of the flow, I'm like, ooh, we might need to adjust this and fix this. So we're gonna fix it at this point before they cast. So we're gonna make those adjustments, and electrical work needs to start. They're gonna start running all their piping, the mechanical, plumbing, everybody's gonna start work soon. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of where we're at on the house. Continue to follow this journey. The next time that you guys probably see this, actually, I'll take you guys through the electrical work, the plumbing work, and then we'll now take you guys through when we finish the floor. It's gonna be awesome. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys, again, we have started construction work and building in Green Paradise. So if you guys are interested in getting plots, by the way, we already have this house. We're gonna be constructing another house next door. Somebody is going to be constructing a house right next to us. And then there's another person that's building. So there's like 4 people already in this first neighborhood that we're building. So if you're one of those that would like to build sometimes this year, like you want to build a house, reach out to us. You can start with like a small down payment and then spread it over for 12 months. And then we'll start your house and start building it. So hopefully by the end of the year, you'll be among the people that can move in here. So anyway, or if you want to pay in full, even better, we just build your house and we finish it.
Real estate king from Lekki to Green Paradise. Rediscover Niger, together we will rise. If you remember to rise and let your light shine bright.
So if you're interested, reach out to us on the number below, email us, WhatsApp us, check out thegreenparadise.com. We would love to have you be a part of our community. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.